Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. So I've been in this apartment for well over a month, and I just realized that I haven't done an in-depth apartment tour. Of course, in real digital nomad fashion, that is one of the things that I have to do as a matter of duty to you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through this apartment, how I got it, how much I pay in a month, and how you can get something like this that is central to everything wherever you are. It doesn't have to be in Albania, it could be anywhere in the world. So I'm just gonna begin from right here. So this is the balcony. This is what it looks like. Let me open up the balcony. It's a little bit cold now, but this is what it looks like. If you are the kind of person that smokes, you can just come here, get a smoke, and this is what the street looks like. All right. It's super cold, so I'm not gonna be there for long. So one of the things that I love about apartments in Albania, if you look at the buildings from the outside, they look really old and out of fashion, but when you come inside, it's a whole different thing. So let's begin from here. This is the living room. When you walk in through that door, this is the main door. You walk in here, this is exactly what you see. So you walk in, boom. You see the living room, very spacious, high ceilings, lots of natural light, which I love so much. And if you go this way, I've got a couch and I've got a split AC that way. That's one. I'm running the heat right now, and it's got two relaxing chairs right here. And I also use this for my daily workout as well. And also, if you look here, it's got a TV, a smart TV. This is really good. Not every apartment comes with a smart TV, and even if they do, the quality of the TV is really not that great. And if you look at the lights here, there's accent lights. I really love them. You know, really provides a nice feel to this house. And here, this is the bookshelf. A lot of the books here I cannot read because it's in Albanian language. And if we come this way, let's walk this way. This is the room right here, and this is the kitchen. Now, if you look at this, this is like a glass divider. It divides the room and the living area. Really cool stuff. Really cool stuff. I love it. But before we go into the room, this is the kitchen area. It's got really modern equipment, modern kitchen appliances. As you can see, it's got some storage area, lots of storage here, lots of storage here as well. You can put all sort of things there. I have my food, my spices, and whatever else I need. And this is the extractor. Boom, you're cooking here, the smoke billows up and it goes through there. And this is the fridge. Nice fridge. Everything in this apartment is pretty new. I'm so lucky to have it that way. And let me take you into the bathroom. Now, it's got the washer and dryer here. I'm doing laundry right now, so you might be hearing some sounds. And if you look through here, this is what the bathroom looks like. That's the sink, that's the WC, lots of storage there, water heater right there, and rainfall shower, whatever that's called. And it's got a giant mirror right there. Hello. And the window opens up to the street view. And if you go that way, let's take you to the room. Boom, this is where the magic happens. Boom. So welcome to the room. This is where I sleep every day. Lots of storage here. You can hang your coats, your whatever, you can put it there. And it's got a nice closet here as well. Let me show you what the closet looks like. Oops. Closet right there, got some clothes in there. And the funny thing is, there's another balcony here which opens up to the street. I have my clothes here, and if you look here, there's the street. There's the street right there, and it's got a storage here as well where I store all sorts of things that I don't need or that I do not want to see. We have the mopping stick and whatever else. It's in there. That's the cars. Boom. Woo, it's really cold. Anyway, let's get back inside. So, this is it. This is the entire apartment. It's really small. I mean, not small, but it's really like cozy, and you know, it's got everything that I need. Now let's talk about the pricing for this apartment. I rented this apartment on Airbnb, so everything you see here, nothing came in with me. I only came here with my luggage, my backpack, and that's it. That's what I always enjoy to do. That's what I always love to do. I don't want to be carrying things around with me because I just don't need to really. So I got this apartment on Airbnb, and for this apartment I pay $650, and that's not inclusive of cleaning. If I need to clean, I can pay for that. I think it's about $10 per session. So I've had this woman come in here. They clean this apartment like once a week. I try to do it myself when I can, because you know, $10 is not a lot, but still, you know, I just want to engage my body. So $650 a month with utilities, internet, every single thing. I don't have to pay anything extra. So this apartment on Airbnb was originally listed for $45 a night. So if I wanted to rent this apartment on a nightly basis, I'll be paying anywhere from $1,200 to $1,400 in order to rent this apartment for a month. But what I do is I send a message out to 10 hosts sometime. I find the best apartment in every city that I go to. And this apartment, I can tell you, it's very central to most things. Anything that you can imagine that you want to do in the block area in Tirana, it's only maximum of about 10 minutes walk from me, which is really good. I've got some coffee shops around me, wine bar, restaurants, everything around here. So that's one of the things that I look at. I want to be able to go out and have fun and have a good time with, you know, my local friends and my expat friends as well. So I find the best apartment in every place I go to, and I narrow it down by the appliances and equipment and everything I want in the apartment. And of course, it's going to be expensive, but all you need to do at this point is to make an offer. You just have to write to them, write a message to your host, and be polite. I made a video in the past where I talked about what you should type or what you should write to them in order to get this best deal. So I went from having to pay about $1,400 to paying $650 a month. So that's about 60% reduction in the price of this apartment. Of course, there's always seasonal differences as well. This is the winter season, meaning that occupancy is going to be very low in this time of the year. So hosts don't want the apartment to go empty. So they'd much rather give it to someone than have the apartment go empty. So that's one of the things that I do as well. So right now, this is my apartment in Tirana. It's a really nice apartment, really clean. As you can tell, everything looks really gorgeous, and I love it so much. It makes me productive. I can do my work. That's why I do all of my filming and work and everything that I do on a weekly basis, a day-to-day basis as well. So I hope you like this. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, consider subscribing and check out the links in the description as well for some of the things that I use, my insurance, my Revolut card that I use and works in over 200 countries. And if you have any questions about being a digital nomad, leave me a question in the comment section down below. My name is Daniel. Again, I will talk to you soon in the next video. Bye.